If you live near the ocean or are thinking about moving here, you already know the salt air smells incredible. But that same salt air, it's quietly working on your house every single day. And if you are wondering how salt air is affecting your home's performance and maintenance schedule, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Denis Raczkowski, and I am your local Emerald Isle real estate expert and relocation specialist. My contact information is below, and I answer every message. And in this video, I'm going to show you how coastal weather really affects your home here in Emerald Isle and anywhere along the Atlantic and Gulf coasts, and what you can do to stay ahead of salt, sun, and time. Stick around to the end for a special gift, and let's dive in. Let's start with salt, that unseen enemy of every coastal homeowner. Salt rides the wind and settles on everything. Windows, doors, decks, AC coils, even your car. Corrodes metal fasteners, hits light fixtures, and leaves a white haze on glass and siding. That's why material choices matter. For windows and doors, vinyl or aluminum hold up best. Avoid wood. It swells, warps, and deteriorates quickly over time in this climate. And if you live on a barrier island like I do, impact-resistant glass isn't optional, it's mandatory if you value your home and what's in it. Impact glass is designed to handle high wind pressures and flying debris year-round. Let's start with salt, that unseen enemy of every coastal homeowner. Next comes the sun, relentless UV rays that fade paint, crack sealants, and dry out trim. The darker the paint, the faster it fades. Lighter colors reflect heat and sunlight better, and they'll look better longer. Ask me how I know in the comments below. When repainting, invest in premium exterior paint with UV blockers. It costs more up front, but saves you in maintenance costs and keeps the appearance looking fresh. For siding, HardiPlank, a fibrous cement material, is one of the best coastal options. It resists rot, insects, and warping far better than traditional wood or vinyl. Wind and moisture are constants here. That soft ocean breeze you love, it's full of microscopic saltwater droplets that creep under siding and into nail holes. Over time, they rust screws and corrode aluminum trim. Pro tip, insist and always use stainless steel fasteners. Pay special attention to roof flashing, window seals, and door thresholds. Those are your weak points. And if you're building or re-roofing, consider using ring shank nails and a sealed roof deck, just like in a fortified roofing system. And I'll leave a link to a video I created about fortified roofs in the comments below. That setup doesn't just help during hurricane season. It stands up to our daily wear from wind and salt spray. Now let's talk about decks, because here in Emerald Isle, life happens outdoors. A lot of people assume that composite decking like Trex is maintenance free. It's not. And it's hot. On a summer afternoon, you can fry an egg on it. That's why many homeowners here still prefer wood decking. It stays cooler underfoot, looks more natural, and can be refinished over time. And if you want to protect your wood deck from UV damage, use a penetrating stain, not paint. Paint traps moisture and eventually peels, while stain soaks into the wood and lets it breathe. And here's a big one. On any work that you do, demand stainless steel fasteners, screws, nails, hangers, brackets, everything. Galvanized hardware will corrode in salt air, even if it looks fine at first. Stainless costs more, but it's non-negotiable. It's the difference between replacing a railing in 5 years versus 15 years. All this maintenance sounds overwhelming, but here's the secret. Don't treat maintenance like a burden. Treat it like a rhythm. Rinse your home with fresh water monthly to wash away salt. Clean your windows quarterly. Check door hardware and hinges every spring. And twice a year, especially before and after summer, have your home professionally washed. Mold loves to grow on the north side of coastal homes where the sun can't reach. A good cleaning removes it, keeps your paint looking fresh and new, and prevents long-term moisture damage. I spend about $400 a year on professional cleanings of my house and probably save close to $15,000 in repainting. That's a trade I'll take. Not every side of your house ages equally here at the coast. South and west facing walls take the brunt of the salt wind and the UV rays. Paint fades faster and wood dries and cracks sooner. South side and north facing homes age more slowly, but they still need regular rinsing because salt air travels. And when you're home hunting, just don't look at the layout. Pay attention to orientation. A home's angle in the sun and salt and sea breeze will tell you a lot about its future maintenance needs. So are you ready to live like a local? If you're thinking about moving to Emerald Isle, buying a second home, or investing in this beautiful island, don't do it alone. I enjoy helping people just like you make smart home choices, and I'd love to help you too. Call or text me at 919-308-2292 or use the links in the description below to grab my free book and explore more. And if you liked this video, hit the like, subscribe, and share it with someone dreaming of beach living and beach life like yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So are you ready to live like a local? If you're thinking about moving to Emerald Isle, buying a second home, or investing in this beautiful island, don't do it alone. I enjoy helping people just like you make smart home choices, and I'd love to help you too. Call or text me at 919-308-2292 or use the links